In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude Code. We'll use Claude to take an idea from a blank folder to a working full-stack app, keeping the process simple and repeatable. Start by creating a dedicated project directory so everything lives in one place. In your terminal, run mkdir myapp, then cd myapp. Using a fresh folder helps avoid conflicts and keeps your version control history clean. Next, tell Claude exactly what you want in one clear message. Be explicit about the app, the front end, the back end, the database, and whether you need authentication. For example, build a simple to-do app. Front end, React. Back end, Fast API. Database, SQLite. Include authentication. With a precise brief, Claude can propose an architecture, list the files it plans to create, and either ask for confirmation before generating or proceed immediately. If anything looks off, refine your single message and resend so the plan stays aligned with your goals. When you're happy, let Claude scaffold the project. Say, create the full project structure and initial files. It will lay down a structure like backend and frontend folders, plus a README and the right dependency files such as requirements.txt or package.json. This gives you a consistent foundation without manual boilerplate and makes it easier to collaborate later. Build one layer at a time instead of everything at once. Start with the Fast API backend and implement CRUD endpoints. Keep them small and testable. Then move to the React UI and connect it to those endpoints, verifying requests and responses as you go. After that, add your database models and migrations so your data layer is reliable and versioned. Keeping the scope narrow at each stage makes debugging faster and easier. When you're ready to run things, ask Claude how to launch both parts and follow its commands. Typical examples are uvicorn mainen, reload for the backend, and npm start for the front end. Open the app and verify basic flows before moving on, like creating and listing items. If something breaks, paste the exact error and say, "Here's the error, fix it." Claude can